Vanakkam, good evening sisters and brothers. On behalf of the Amshara UNDP and all the Andrea Howard, I would like to congratulate Kenny Thomas Congress on this initiative and wish all the members of the team all the best. That's about as much party that I'll get. The rest of my speech will be as a Tamil Canadian as part of the community. I would like to extend some of my remarks. I remember 5 years back, very impressed with Walkathon. It was an amazing success, and Tickets Foundation was the first recipient. And after the first success, obviously the team, when they were planning the second one, they were a bit nervous because they had set the bar so high. Would we be able to meet that expectation? Would we be able to sustain this kind of momentum? It's a bit of a nervousness to say. But thanks to the hard work and the dedication, the passion of the volunteers, this is the 5th year. And it's been better, bigger, and more inspiring each year. So congratulations to the team for making it better every year and achieving that, setting the bar high each year and achieving that. And that is the kind of the example set by the dedicated volunteers behind this initiative. And I also want to congratulate the Congress for being very cognizant of who they choose as the recipient of the charity of choice. I don't want to go through all of them, but I'll give 2 examples. When Cancer Society was the recipient, Charity Cancer Society, it not only gave a significant fund to Cancer Society, it actually created awareness about cancer, cancer-related services, the stigma related to cancer within our community. It created an opportunity to make sure there's public education that happens. But it's not just the public education. As a result of that award, the Tamil community and the Charity Congress has a better relationship with the Cancer Society to advocate for linguistically and culturally sensitive services, which actually is also an important thing that the community needs. Same thing happened with cancer. The mental health services needed our support, but also needed ways in which they can improve themselves as a culturally and linguistically sensitive service. So not only the awareness was created in our community, but in fact, it also reciprocated into actions that benefit the community in a systemic level. And I'm delighted that this year, the Holland Review Kids Rehabilitation Hospital Foundation has been chosen because there's a need for us to have conversations around rights with people in this country. There's a need for us to have conversations about the systemic barriers that our system and society put in terms of making sure that every individual is treated equally. And sometimes, not sometimes, many times, people with disabilities are often affected by many systemic barriers that we are sometimes very often used to and not want. So this is an opportunity for us not only to support an amazing organization that's doing wonderful work, but to have those conversations amongst us, and then also work with the foundation later to make sure that we are continuing to advocate for culturally and linguistically sensitive services. இந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு திட்டத்தின் மூலமாக தமிழ் மக்களுடைய தேவைகளை அந்தந்த நிறுவனங்களில் பெற்றுக்கொள்வது மட்டுமல்ல, நாங்கள் எங்களது சமூகத்தில் இப்படியான விடயங்களை பற்றிய விழிப்புணர்வை கொண்டு வரக்கூடிய கலந்துரையாடல்களை நிகழ்ச்சிகளை செய்வது முக்கியமாக இருக்கிறது. அதை திறம்பட 5 வருடங்களாக கேடி தமிழர் பேரவை செய்து வருவது எங்கள் சமூகத்துக்கு செய்து வரக்கூடிய மிகப்பெரிய பணியாக கேடி தமிழர் பேரவை செய்வது நன்றியை கூறிக்கொள்கிறேன். இறுதியாக I think I'll be walking, I'm sure I work all 5 of the walks, and I used to work alone and then with my partner. Now I have a son, so it's become a family event, and I will continue to be, because it's that atmosphere when you're working together with the community for a good cause. The feeling is phenomenal, so I'm continuing to be looking forward to supporting it. I'm very confident. I know there's an ambitious target. I'm so confident that we'll reach it because the men and women in uniform, EMS, fire services, and police services here, so we are in safe hands. I looked at the business leaders and community leaders here, so we are in generous hands. And I looked at the volunteer team that CTC has, and we are in capable hands. So the project is in good hands, and we will reach it. We will reach the target. Thank you very much.